Hello. In this video, we will be showing you how you can access Emerald Insight off campus. On the main library Canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access eResources icon. From the list of eResources available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just click on the Emerald Insight logo to be taken to the Emerald Insight page. Now on the Emerald Insight page, just click on the logo to access this eResource. You will now find yourself on the Emerald Insight website. On the top right of the page, just click on the Login button. And then when you're given two options to log in, just click on the Access through your institution option, which is on the left side. You'll now be asked to find your institution. In the search bar to find your institution, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. Finally, you'll be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by the password, and then finally click the login button.